Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best beard trimmers. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Hatteker Hair Beard Trimmer. I almost didn't include the Hatteker 5-in-1 trimmer in the running for this roundup, perhaps having written the brand off as a low-cost internet sensation that could never compete with the big names. It's huge on Amazon, but I really never see it out in the wild, unlike all the other brands here. This is probably why I came away surprisingly impressed with this trimmer, which really hits the perfect balance between cost, performance, and function. I can see why so many consumers score it so favorably. Above all, it cuts powerfully and has a terrific array of guard heads, including the incremental 1mm to 10mm dial head for easy, fast adjustments. Its T-blade head draws clean lines. Its plastic guard heads are all reinforced much better than I'd expect from a low-cost device, and its detailer, while slightly wider than I'd like, is effective at the fine-tuning details around my mustache. Number 7 in my list is Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Beard Trimmer. For me, this wasn't a test drive of the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 9000. This was more about pitting it against all the other products to see if they could dethrone my longtime favorite. Except for the rookie users out there, most of us know what we want in a trimmer and can tee ourselves up in a jiffy, provided the device meets a baseline set of needs. The Multi-Groom 9000 exceeds those needs, and it does so with serious muscle and jaw-dropping battery life. The brand advertises a 6-hour runtime, but I clocked exactly 8 hours and 2 minutes on my 3.5-year-old model, with solid power throughout the entire run. The main thing that endears this tool to me is its selection of small precision detailing heads. One is a very thin trimmer, and the other an electric shaver. The former makes it so easy to zap errant hairs that sprout high up on the cheek, or even strays that refuse to be tamed, but mostly I use it to clean up the area around my mustache without worrying about trimming too much. Basically, it targets individual hairs so that you can get truly precise cleanups. And as for the shaver, it's also quite small, so once I have my beard line or mustache perimeter tidied up, I can use the shaver to keep it skin level without any compromise to the surrounding hairs. Number 6 in my list is Andis 32400 Beard Trimmer. Between barbershop appointments, the best thing you can do at home to maintain your beard is to keep your cheek lines and neckline neat, Woodsmith told us. And the Andis Slimline Pro is easily maneuverable to trim even hard-to-reach hairs on the neck. In fact, all the barbers who praised the Magic Clip told us they will use this trimmer to make beards look as neat as possible. It's going to get incredibly close, so professionals use it to create neat lines and then put the attachments on to trim the beard itself, explains Karek Rouleau of Mott NYC. Migiz agrees, saying that while he wouldn't use it as his main beard trimmer, it's the first thing he picks up to keep the area around his clients' ears and the backs of their necks clean. Albano, another expert who says the Slimline Pro is great for styling, adds that it is super light, super sharp, and built to last. And Mac, yet another Andis fan, told us he knows from experience that this product works on facial hair of all types and textures and holds its charge for a long time. Number 5 in my list is Philips Norelco One-Blade Beard Trimmer. While Black says the cordless version of the Wahl Peanut will fit in a DOP kit, if you're looking for an even more affordable beard trimmer for travel, consider the One-Blade. Quality Harper uses it, and it made the cut on Solar's list too. The small size, decent battery life, and punchy color make it just right for my DOP kit, Solar wrote. Quality Harper adds that it can get as close as a wet shave. To wit, the One-Blade also made our list of expert-recommended electric razors, with Solar writing that the gadget falls somewhere between a traditional beard trimmer and a regular razor. He adds, once you charge the handle and turn on the power, the blade's rapid movements cut nearly as close as a regular disposable blade, but without any fear of bleeding or ingrown hairs. Number 4 in my list is Panasonic Cordless Beard Trimmer. Waldman believes this trimmer is the best for beginners because of its versatility. You can use it in the shower with shave gel or for a quick dry trim, he says. And its easy-to-use adjustment dial for different hair lengths is a standout. There aren't a bunch of attachments to misplace or clutter your bathroom drawers. For a beginner, that means much less time fidgeting around in the morning and getting straight to business with just a turn of a dial. If your skin is on the more sensitive side, Waldman recommends using a trimmer with wet and dry functions, which this one offers. The trick to not irritating sensitive skin is to soften your beard and lubricate your skin before using a trimmer, Waldman explains. After washing and moisturizing, you can keep your beard area covered with a damp, warm washcloth for about 2 minutes to further soften the hair, he says. Then you can go in with this trimmer, whether you're shaving in the bathroom sink or in the shower. Number 3 in my list is Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer. While the grooming professionals we spoke to overwhelmingly named Wahl as the maker of their favorite trimmers, it was Philips Norelco that received the most praise from the regular bearded guys we talked to about their preferred tools. This divide checks out for barber David Kim, who tells us amateur cutters can generally trust Philips Norelco's more affordable products to work well and maintain a neat beard, as long as they're not trying to do something too complex or fancy. This specific Philips Norelco trimmer came recommended to us by no fewer than 5 guys. Fashion stylist Cohen is a fan, as are stunt performer Adam Wren and DJ/digital strategist Mac Joseph, who told us he likes how it has a vacuum feature that sucks up most of your beard clippings as you go, meaning there is less to clean up and therefore less of a chance of squabbling with roommates or partners over the state of your sink. I'm black, so my hairs are super curly and get everywhere. Joseph says, the vacuum is very important to me because I share a bathroom. Number 2 in my list is Wahl Professional Classic White Peanut Beard Trimmer. When we asked Miggy's how he keeps the famous beard of one of his clients, style writer David Coggins, so fresh, he told us his most trusted tool is Wahl's corded peanut clipper. It's cheaper than the Magic Clip, but that isn't why he likes it. Miggy says, in his opinion, cordless trimmers are overrated. I find that trimmers you can plug into the wall have the power to last years compared to wireless ones where the battery slowly gets worse. Aside from having a cord, 2 other things he likes about the Peanut are that it has the quality of any Wahl product and comes with 4 attachments that he says are perfect lengths for trimming a beard down from a robust hedge in the winter to AstroTurf in the summer. The Peanut is also the favored beard trimmer of former strategist columnist Chris Black, who praised it because it's cheap, dependable, and fits in your designer DOP kit perfectly. If you prefer cordless tools, the Peanut also comes in a cordless version that takes 2 AA batteries. Number 1 in my list is Wahl Professional Beard Trimmer. 7 of the grooming professionals we spoke to say Wahl's cordless Magic Clip might be the most powerful, sharp, and capable beard trimmer on the market. It gets the job done whether your beard is long or short, says fellow barber founder Sam Buffa, citing the fact it comes with multiple, but not too many, guard options to get the length just right. He also told us the quality of a Wahl blade makes this trimmer the most bang for your buck compared to other models at similar prices, as Wahl's blades stay sharper for longer, according to Buffa. Murdoch London's Woodsmith is another Magic Clip devotee, praising it for its combination of lightness and power. These qualities make the cordless Magic Clip one of the best hair clippers too, according to barbers. He loves to use it on both himself at home and on his clients at work. It's the top product to own if you want to recreate a barbershop experience in the comfort of your home, he says, a statement that was echoed by fashion stylist Neil Cohen, Miguez, and Alejandro A.J. Albano, a barber at Tuft NYC. Podcast host Ronnie Paracella told us he also uses the Magic Clip on his beard. The Wahl Magic Clip is also available in a corded version. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.